Today, I'm showing you two methods to turn a blurry, low-quality video into crispy 4K. The first method uses only CapCut, and the second one uses CapCut plus Vmake for an even sharper result. If you guys want me to make this exact tutorial for laptop users, type laptop in the comments so I know. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1, I'll open CapCut on my phone and import the video I want to turn into 4K. Yeah, this one looks like it was filmed with a calculator, but that's why we're here. Next, on the menu at the bottom, scroll until you see Adjust and tap it. Then scroll again until you see the Graphs option and click on it. Now you'll see several colors, usually 4. For each color, white, green, and so on, I'll drag the lower slider down and also bring the upper slider down. Do this for each color until you're done with all of them. Once that's set, go back and open the Effects panel. Tap Video Effects, scroll down until you find Blur, then add it. Push that blur slider all the way up to 100. Now drag the blur layer across your entire video so it covers the full frame. Done? Good. Now export the video in 1080p. When it's done exporting, go back to your edit timeline and hit undo a few times until you're back to your original video. Next, click Add Overlay and import the exported video you just made. Resize it so it fits perfectly into the frame. Then, with the overlay selected, scroll until you see Splice. Tap Splice and choose Burn. Drag the slider to around 30. Now add another overlay, this time a solid white background. Stretch it so it covers the whole video. Again, go to Splice and change the blend mode to overlay, then drag the slider to around 80. Finally, select your original base video, go back to Adjust, and tweak the finishing touches. Set the saturation to around 20 and also set the sharpen to around 36. And boom, your video now looks much sharper. Export in 4K and you're done with method 1. Now let's try the second method, which uses both CapCut and Vmake. First, import your video into CapCut and trim it if needed. Go to the Adjust tab again, and this time tweak 3 things. Brightness, set to 10. Brilliance, set to 10. Sharpen, all the way up to 100. Click Done. Next, while still on the video, go to Filters, search for Vivid, add the Vivid filter to the video, and increase the slider to 90. Tap Done. Now export this version in 720p. Yes, just 720p. Trust me on this. Once that's done, open Vmake. Go to AI Enhancer, select Ultra HD, and click Try Now. Import the video you just exported and let Vmake process it. After a few moments, boom, the video is now in 4K resolution. Sharper, clearer, more professional. It's like magic, and that's it. 2 solid methods to take your low-quality videos and make them look 4K. Which one did you like better? Method 1 with just CapCut, or Method 2 with Vmake? Comment below, I really want to know. And again, if you want me to make a tutorial for laptop users, type laptop in the comments and I'll work on it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.